Instant result if you are over 50 and your plants keep dying. Stay with me because in a few minutes you will see garden plants that almost refuse to fail. Imagine stepping outside in the morning, coffee in hand, and seeing real flowers and herbs you actually grew, not empty pots and dry soil. Today I am showing you specific, forgiving plants that many beginners over 50 say gave them their confidence back. Up next. Clear promise in this video, you will walk away with a short list of plants that work beautifully for sore knees, tired backs, and smaller energy levels. You will see which plants do best in containers on a balcony, which ones love a sunny backyard, and which ones still grow when you forget to water for a day or two. If you watch until the end, you will have a step-by-step planting order for your very next weekend. Pain points. Many people over 50 tell me the same story. They spend good money on plants, bend down to plant them, and a few weeks later everything looks brown and tired. Maybe your knees complain when you kneel, your back aches after pulling weeds, or you simply do not have the energy to fuss with delicate plants every single day. On top of that, tiny plant labels with confusing Latin names can make you feel like common mistakes. A lot of beginners, especially in their 50s and 60s, accidentally choose plants that need constant attention, heavy pruning, or special soil, and then feel guilty when they cannot keep up. Another common issue is planting too low, forcing you to bend and twist every time you water, which can turn a peaceful hobby into a painful chore. Many people also crowd too many plants into one small space, so easy containers. Container gardening can be a game changer if your joints complain, because pots can sit on a table, a sturdy stand, or a waist-high rail where you do not have to kneel at all. Many seniors love starting with hardy herbs like rosemary, thyme, or mint in medium-sized pots, because you see fresh green growth quickly and you can pick a few leaves for dinner the same week. Colorful flowers like first retention. Now, this next part is crucial, because the height of your garden can decide whether you enjoy this for years or give up after one painful season. Raised beds that come up to about hip or mid-thigh height let you lean slightly instead of bending all the way down, which many people with stiff backs find much more comfortable. You can fill these beds with easy vegetables like lettuce and spinach, or sun versus shade. One simple question changes everything. How many hours of direct sun does your space get on a typical day, not just on weekends? In sunny spots that stay bright most of the day, many people have success with sun-loving plants like tomatoes, peppers, lavender, or bright petunias in pots or raised beds. In shadier corners that only get morning light or soft afternoon light, hostas, ferns, and impatiens. Small spaces. If you live in an apartment or have just a small patio, vertical gardening can give you a surprising amount of color and flavor without taking up floor space. Many seniors hang lightweight fabric pockets or use simple shelves against a wall, filling them with trailing plants like strawberries, cascading petunias, or soft herbs that spill over the edge. This keeps most of the work at arm height. Which watering style? Think about your real routine. Do you enjoy stepping outside every morning with your coffee, or do you prefer to water deeply just a few times a week? If you like daily check-ins, you may enjoy plants in smaller pots that dry a bit faster, like basil or colorful annual flowers that appreciate regular moisture. If you would rather water less often, many people find success with slightly larger pots. Engagement quiz. Take a moment and look at your space in your mind. Is it mostly sunny, mostly shady, or a mix of both during the day? Ask yourself honestly, how many days a week do you realistically want to water and fuss with plants, not what you think you should do? In the comments, tell me your answer with 2 words, like sunny daily, or shade weekly, because that simple phrase can guide every plant choice. Action steps. Start by choosing one small area, about the size of a kitchen table, instead of trying to fix your whole yard at once, so your body and your budget both feel safe. Pick 2 or 3 easy plants that match your light and watering style, such as a pot of herbs, a pot of bright flowers, and maybe one leafy green in a raised container. Place them at a height where you can touch the soil without bending.